Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix Discord icon pictures not loading. First, launch the Discord app on your computer. Then click on the Start menu button at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Network and select View Network Status and Tasks from the list of results. In the Network and Sharing Center, you need to ensure everything is configured correctly. Look for options like Set up a new connection or network and troubleshoot problems. These options will help you identify and fix any network issues that might be causing the problem. Next, go back to the Start menu and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, select Network and Internet. This will open a new window where you can see your network connection details. Find and click on Properties under your active network connection. In the Properties section, click on Edit next to the Advanced Wi-Fi Network Properties section. You need to check a few settings here. Make sure Connect automatically when this network is in range is enabled. Also, ensure that look for other wireless networks while connected to this network and connect even if the network is not broadcasting its name or checked. After making these changes, click OK to save the settings. Then, in the same Network Settings window, find Edit next to the IP assignment. Click on the downward arrow and select Manual. Turn the toggle on for IPv4, which will allow you to manually enter an IP address and DNS settings. For the DNS settings, type 8888 in the preferred DNS field and 8844 in the alternate DNS field. These are Google's public DNS servers and can help improve connectivity and load times. Click Save to apply these changes. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all the new settings take effect. After your computer restarts, open Discord again. Your profile pictures and other icons should now load correctly. If the problem persists, you might want to check for any updates for Discord or your network drivers. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.